So this is how solid my oxtail is, right?
No, they are. Let me show the people them how solid the oxtail is. No joke oxtail, bro. No joke. Look at that. Look at the glaze. See? To the food good. All a $20 tip we get today. Yeah, man. $20 tip we are run. Solid wings. Curry chicken. Yeah. Yeah, that's the setup right there. Good morning, guys. Morning. It's another day. Give thanks, you know. Back on the food truck today, so today is Thursday. Thursday usually be just an okay day, you know. Friday and Saturday is the booming day, you know. But today is Thursday, so we're going on with a simple menu today, which is jerk chicken, oxtail, curry chicken, brown stew chicken, and shrimp. Usually I do pasta today, but it's kind of getting cold now, so I kind of ease off with the pasta for a little bit. You know, so we're heading to the food truck now to get ready. Yeah, man, for this Thursday. Yeah, man, give thanks to everybody, you know. So I'm gonna let you see what's going on. All right, cool. So we have some cabbage that's already. Right there, so we have some curry goat. You want to see that? Solid goat. Solid goat. Look on the gravy. Look up this guy. Just look on the gravy. Solid. Solid. Right? Over here, so now we have the curry chicken. Solid curry chicken intact. No mushy curry chicken. When I sell mushy curry chicken. Curry chicken have it intact. You understand me as I look on the sauce? Yeah, man. Sauce solid cook. What else we have? Over here, so we have the brown stew over here, so solid. Everything solid. See? Yeah, man. Everything solid. Yeah, so now we have the oxtail. Oxtail right there, so solid still, you know. Yeah, man. See that? No oxtails, you know. Oxtail we have right there, so see that? Solid. See that come off of the bone there, you know. Yeah, man. Alright. Let's do this, you know. What we have, Rasta? We have some plant right there, so.
Yeah, man, everything, man.
Everything we have, alright. We have some over there, so hold on, we have jerk chicken over here, so see cutting board there. We have jerk chicken.
And still pork in the fridge.
Yeah, man. Fully loaded. See that? Fully loaded. Fully loaded, guys. Fully loaded today. See that? Set up that customer don't necessarily sit down and eat. Yeah, I want to see the menu there. Reasonable menu, not over the top. Not too expensive, is it? The drinks that we have today. See? To the food good. All a $20 tip we get today. Yeah, man. $20 tip we are run. Yeah, man. That's all we have today on the soda line. Pepsi and Sprite. Yeah, so we set to go to the car wash 4 days a week. The gas station over there, sir. Yeah, that's the setup right there, sir. That's the setup right there, sir. Car pull up there. Yeah, no. Not a joke thing, man. Customers are pull up. Solid food we have. So guys, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. See that we're up on the main road. We're up on the main road today. Solid, man, solid.
So This is how solid my oxtail is. Right?
No, they are. Let me show the people them how solid the oxtail is. No joke oxtail, bro. No joke. Look at that. Look at the glaze. What's that? This you can knock it down like this. Better than that. Aye. Solid plate right there, sir. Yeah, man. This plate is $20. Yeah, man. Cabbage, plantain, oxtail. Yeah, man.